Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, September 29th. Looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. Last day of the quarter. Not a great quarter for the market, but we'll see how it plays out. A couple of house cleaning notes. First, Discord's having an issue. The one I speak through on one computer is fine, but the other one that I live stream my profile on has me blocked. I see on Twitter many other people are having this issue, so it's not me. So I'll see, hopefully before the market, they get that resolved. Otherwise, I won't be able to live stream my profile. Hopefully the one that I speak through stays up. That's number one. Number two, I want to thank again everybody that attended the webinar last night that I hosted for Terry Lieberman of Window Trader. Very insightful. Once the recording is out, I will put it on my Twitter and in my trading room. Okay, so one day to go in the quarter. We know yesterday was strictly short covering and some momentum buying. Once they resolved what they wanted to do, after C pulled back, D finally got going, and the rush was on, right? It's a frenzied buying in D and E as the shorts run for cover and the algos and momentum buyers try to inflict as much pain on them as they push it up also. We didn't hold it. We took back 3 sets of single prints, but right now, pre-market, we're above yesterday's high. NQ is the only one that held their trend day, so they are a double distribution day. We have a poor high, they have a poor high. In about 15 minutes, the PCE comes out. Again, it's going to send the algos into a tizzy. I think it's meaningless, mindless, useless. I firmly believe we'll have a quarter-point raise in November, no matter what the PCE says. But again, you have to deal with it. So if we come out of yesterday's high to the upside at 9:30, to me the daily would be up for us. Okay, I didn't use this day inside as the balance. I just use it as a 3-day balance. So if we take it out, it'll be up. Righty is a little different. Righty for me came into a 6-day balance, as you can see. Okay, now if they take that out, not only will they be up, they'll be going into that gap. So again, the higher we go, the more shorts are going to panic. Same with NQ. NQ, again, you can call it a 4-day balance. You can call it a 6-day balance. Whatever you want to call it, right? It's all subjective. The higher we go, the more shorts are going to start getting pain inflicted on them. Okay? And believe me, just like when the market's going down and the shorts are sharks in the water, it's the opposite with the algos and the momentum buyers trying to really put a hurting on whoever is still short in this market. So game plan for this morning, again, it depends what happens at 8:30. If we have a small gap, gaps have not held this year, I wouldn't expect it to hold. If the gap becomes much larger on the upside, right, then I'll definitely wait for more MGI because gap and go has not been profitable either this year. I didn't take a trade for the first hour yesterday. I had an excellent day yesterday. Okay, it's not when you trade, it's not how many trades you make. It's the setups that you believe give you the best odds to be successful. Doesn't matter when or how many they are. Okay? If we get back inside yesterday's range, now taking out yesterday's low would not bring the daily back down again. We would have to take out Wednesday's low. Okay? So balance rules right now are applying for us this morning. Yesterday's high is the top of the balance. Wednesday's low is the bottom of it. So make sure balance rules are front and foremost in your trading. A lot more powerful than gap rules. Again, I'll be recapping the day and the week at 4 p.m. I mean, again, game plan's kind of tough to give you one right now. If depending on where the overnight high and overnight low is, again, those are really good opportunities to possibly front run, as we usually do a lot of times in the S&P. Other than that, right now, you're going to have to wait for more MGI after 8:30. And then on the chart, just going to show you the daily, right? We're not going to come back into balance on the weekly, that's for sure. What we're going to have to do is see whatever this week's high is. Right now, it's 432.27 in SPY. Okay, so that's the one you're going to have to take out at some point. Where well, again, if we make a high today, it's a different story. So whatever the week's high is, that's the one we need to take out next week to come into balance. I highly doubt we're going to rally $15 to take out last week's high today. And then here it is, 3-day balance. If we come out of yesterday's to the upside, I'll call it up. If you come out of it to the downside, we need to take out Wednesday's low to go back bear. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. And we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.